In this video, we are going to learn the theorems based on similar triangles, and basically they are based on the results on areas of similar triangles. That means these theorems will apply to similar triangles only. So our first theorem is that if you have two similar triangles, so I have triangle A, B, C and triangle D, E, F, and then I can say that these are similar triangles, right? They are given that they are similar. The theorems that we are going to learn here apply to similar triangles only. So sometimes if the triangles are not similar, you have to prove them similar first and then you can apply the theorems that we are going to learn. Now our first theorem is that the areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the squares of their corresponding sides. What does that mean? That means area of triangle, if triangle ABC, and you have to write here triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is given to us, right? Then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is proportional to the squares of their corresponding sides. So what are their corresponding sides? AB upon DE. So squares of that, AB square upon DE square. Another side will be BC upon EF. So BC square upon EF square. And the third side will be AC upon DF is equal to AC square upon DF square. Right? This is our theorem number 1. Now, theorem number 2 states, again, if you have two similar triangles, right? This is triangle ABC and this is triangle DEF, and if AL and DM are the altitudes to the sides BC and EF respectively, then the areas of the triangles, areas of these similar triangles are proportional to the squares of their corresponding altitudes. So we will write that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Therefore, now we can apply the theorem, and the theorem says that areas of these, ratio of the areas of these triangles upon area of triangle DEF is equal to the squares of their, is proportional to the squares of their corresponding altitudes. So what is the altitude of this triangle? AL square upon DM square, right? Sometimes students make the mistakes. They take here triangle ABC and by mistake write the altitude of this triangle. So this theorem says to the corresponding altitudes, right? I'll repeat the theorem. The areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the squares of their corresponding altitudes, right? Okay, this was second. Now third one is that, again, if you have triangle ABC and triangle DEF, and this time we have AM and DL as medians, right? Here they were altitudes, now this time they are medians. And if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, I will repeat, all these theorems apply to similar triangles only, then the areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the squares of their corresponding medians. So I will write it like this: area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF only if they are similar is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding medians. Right? I'll repeat the theorem. The areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the squares of their corresponding medians. Right? Okay. Then one more. Last one. So we have two triangles like this. A, B, C, and this is D, E, F. Both are similar triangles, and here we have AL and here we have DM. Now here AL is the angle bisector of this angle A and DM is the angle bisector of this angle D, right? So if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the squares on their corresponding angle bisector segments. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to squares of their corresponding angle bisector segments. This is DM square. I'll repeat the theorem here. The areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the squares of their corresponding angle bisector segments, right? Okay. Now you are going to make use of these theorems in the questions, and we will solve the questions in the next videos. And one thing again I will repeat, that all these theorems, these four theorems, apply to similar triangles only. If your triangles are not similar, you need to prove them similar first and then apply these theorems.